What's up guys, hope you guys are having a great day. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a little garage update. We just picked up the new X3M and we just got the C8 out of the shop. C8 ended up having a bunch of different issues, so I just want to go over everything with you guys. And then we also have the window sticker here for the X3M Competition. Just want to go over all the options and show you guys a few cool things. Starting price for the 2021 X3M Competition was $69,900. The paint was $550. The competition package was $7,000. The M competition package included the M Sport exhaust system. Sounds pretty freaking nice. This is at idle. They say after about 1,500 miles, after the engine breaks in, the exhaust system opens up a little bit, you get a little more cracks and burbles. The M competition package also comes with the 21-inch rims, the M Sport seat belts in the front and in the back. Everybody gets them. It also brings the M Sport seats, which are freaking amazing, so comfortable, and they look incredible. You also get all the X3M competition badging, which there's one right here on the center console, one back here on the rear hatch. It also comes with a $1,700 driving assistance plus package. This basically gives you like active cruise control. So like say someone in front of you is slowing down, you have cruise control on, it'll automatically slow down the car, and then once they speed up, it'll automatically accelerate as well. That package also gives you collision mitigation system, which takes care of like front collision warning, side collision warning, lane departure, steering intervention, and active blind spot detection. The last big package that we have on here is the executive package. It's $3,900. You get the heated steering wheel, the rear manual shades that slide up and down. It brings front heated and cooled seats, and in the rear you also get heated seats. Park Assistant Plus. This car, as long as there's lines on the road, so parallel parking or regular parking, it'll literally park itself for you. Heads up display, which is like one of the best heads up displays. Check out the heads up display on the BMW X3M. This thing is massive. It's literally like about an 8-inch by 4-inch screen in front of you. Also, if you have navigation on the car, it'll also pop up on your heads-up display right there. The executive package even brings wireless charging, and it works really well. It even goes through a case on your iPhone. This car also has Apple Play and Android Auto. Got roof rails in the high gloss, the comfort access, which allows you to get in and out of the car without taking the keys out of your pocket. We have the front ventilated seats, carbon fiber trim, the panoramic moonroof, which is absolutely amazing. It stretches across from the front of the car all the way to the back. It just keeps going and going and going. That is the biggest sunroof I've ever seen in my life. It's got the adaptive full LED lights, Live Cockpit Pro, Wi-Fi hotspots, XM radio, Harman Kardon sound system. One thing I love about the BMWs is that it comes with 3-year maintenance plan when you buy it brand new. So for the first 3 years, 36,000 miles, all your engine oil, your cabin air filter, your vehicle checks, your air filter, spark plugs, brake fluid, it's all included. All for a grand total price of $84,395. Now guys, I know that sounds like a lot of money, but compared to its competitors like the Porsche, the Mercedes, the Jaguar, it's actually the cheapest on the totem pole. By financing through SAA, I got 63 months at 1.89%. My monthly payments are right around $1,450. But guys, we absolutely love this car. It is so amazing. It's like the Corvette and SUV had a baby. It literally does everything. It's the best daily driver ever. It's got all the power you need, all the handling you want, all-wheel drive, so all the safety. It has all the features and everything. We plan to do a lot of stuff on the channel with this car. I want to race a lot of the high-performance sports cars, see what this X3M can beat out there. I already raced Lewis the other day in his Porsche, his tuned Porsche Cayman S, and we were able to walk away from him. So I'm really excited to see what this thing can do against a lot of the other competitors out there. So if you guys aren't subscribed yet, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell notification so you guys know when we get some future videos out on this vehicle. Now let's go chat about the C8. Woo. So if you guys didn't see last video, we had to take the C8 in, had a few issues. First one being the AC went out. At 27,000 miles, the compressor went out. Not sure why. I guess it just seized up and then it shredded the belt as well. We also had to get the front right shock replaced, just like the driver shock. When at about 7,000 miles that went out, the passenger side went out as well, so it was just leaking fluid everywhere. And then the last thing we had done was got a new fill cap for the lift reservoir. So the original one is vented and this one is non-vented, so it won't leak anymore. Along with those 3 issues, there are a few more issues that we were unaware of. First one being that the radio needed an update, and then they had a recall about the wheel casting with inspected wheels, all good. Incorrect radio frequency identification label, so they had changed that. There's also an open hood message recall. They reprogrammed the instrument panel. Looks like there was a recall on the battery, which they went ahead and checked that and it looked good. And then the last but not least was the brake lining. They needed to make it green, I guess. So it's just like a label. One of the things I was asking to look out for was the rear axle system off message. It keeps popping up all the time, but what the tech noticed was when he goes to check the check engine light, that there's no actual code for anything going on with the transmission. The only thing that keeps popping up is for the rear exhaust. So maybe the two are linked somehow, we're not very sure. As for the last car I need to update you guys about is the C5 Z06. Looks like we might be seeing that thing on the channel here soon. I have a rally on July 10th that my parents are coming down for, and I asked the tech if we can get that thing done by then, that would be awesome. So he's gonna do his best to try to get the C5 done by July 10th, so my parents can drive the C8 on the rally, and then I can take the C5 Z06. Worst comes to worst, if that doesn't get done, my parents have the choice or the option to either all four of us jump in the X3M, or they can take the C8 and I'll take the X3M. Either way, we'll figure something out. But hopefully that car will be on the channel here very soon. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys love the X3M purchase as much as we do. We are super excited about having that thing on the channel. I can't wait to get these two on a drag strip. We're gonna do some crazy stuff with this stuff. We're gonna get this thing tuned, downpipe, whatnot. So this thing is probably gonna end up just as fast or faster than the C8. It's gonna be crazy. I can't wait to get this thing out on a rally and just go rip it past all these exotics. They're gonna be like, what in the world is that thing? But anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for the end of the video. Make sure you guys hit that like button. We'll see you guys next video. Later.